drowning in repetitive tasks and searching for the ultimate automation lifesaver. Choosing between Workato and Zapier can feel like navigating a maze, but don't worry, we're here to guide you through it in just 90 seconds. First up, ease of use. Workato, while powerful, has a steeper learning curve. Its robust interface is more akin to coding than drag-and-drop simplicity. However, it does come with features that support citizen developers in building simple integrations. Zapier shines in simplicity. Its intuitive interface and pre-built templates allow anyone to create apps in minutes, perfect for smaller businesses and those new to automation. Next, let's talk integrations. Zapier boasts a massive library, connecting to thousands of apps, great for broad use cases. Workato, while having fewer overall apps, excels in enterprise-level integrations and custom connections, crucial for complex workflows. Now, business size matters. Zapier is ideal for startups and small to medium businesses needing quick and easy automations. Workato targets larger enterprises with complex needs, requiring robust security and scalability. Finally, pricing. Zapier offers affordable plans for basic automation, but costs can escalate quickly with increased usage. Workato provides tailored pricing for enterprises, often more cost-effective for larger deployments. So, Workato for complex, enterprise-grade automation, or Zapier for simple, broad integrations, the choice is yours. Let us know which tool you prefer in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into workflow automation.